Miss Andula, Miss Fiji, how are you feeling so far?
Very excited.
You happy that you're almost there?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, Shitara, please choose a question. Thank you. Miss Fiji, your question is, the theme embraced Nesian style. Micronesia, Melanesia, and Polynesia are all in the oceanic region. What are some of the differences and similarities of the Nesian groups? The theme embraced Nesian style. Micronesia, Melanesia, and Polynesia are all in the oceanic region. The question is, what are some of the differences and similarities of the Nesian groups?
Thank you, JJ. Good evening again, ladies and gentlemen. I think that, I believe, whether you are Melanesian, Micronesian, Polynesian, wherever you live, whatever you are, we are all the same. Everybody has the same color blood. We are all children of God, and that's why I believe that we are all the same. Looking specifically at the cultures of the Micronesian, Polynesian, and the Melanesian groups, I would say that there are more similarities than differences, but each of the cultures bring out their identities very strongly in their similarities as well as in the differences. For example, we use masi in Fiji, and the same kind of cloth is also produced by the people of Samoa. You would have also seen Miss Tonga wearing something similar. So that's, to me, that's one very important similarity, the clothes that we make, etc. And the languages also are quite similar. Differences would mostly be arising from the distances between the countries. Thank you.
Una cosa solo con Fiji.